Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have a much requested recipe which is making of mango pickle. Mango pickle making is quite a process, but I'm going to show you all step by step, and this is step 1. I have here a kilo of green mangoes, of which I cut in 4 quarters and taken out the seed. And thereafter I rinse them out and put it into my dish. I'm using half a cup of rough salt to sprinkle over my mango. So it had to be very well coated with the salt. So this salt will help the water from the mango getting released. I will allow this to sit for about 8 to 12 hours, and then I'll go back to the next step of the making. When living in Newlands, we had a lot of mango trees, and the month of October and November was making of mango pickles. So by getting these mangoes, bring back a lot of memory of Newlands. We'll give this about 8 to 12 hours to rest, and we'll catch y'all on the next step. Hello, welcome back. Yesterday I showed y'all how I'm putting the salt into my cut mango and letting it to rest overnight. So as you can see how the salt has released most of the water from the mango. And today I'm going to show you all the step 2. Step 2 is taking these mangoes and rinsing off the salt, and thereafter I'll place it upon this tray and allow it to air dry. Usually if you like crispy mangoes, you don't put them in sunlight. First I'm going to rinse off these mangoes. Here you go, I rinsed off my mangoes. The reason being why I rinsed my mangoes out from the salt is most of the time we get pickle masala that has its own salt, and then our pickle become very salty. I will just spread my mango upon this tray. And I'm going to leave my mango onto the counter to rest for 10 to 12 hours before mixing into a pickle. We will catch you later for the step 3. It's the afternoon now, and we are ready for our third step of making of the mango pickle. There's my mangoes. They are aired out. I just drop it into my dish. So to this mangoes, I've got 2 tablespoons of pickle masala and a heaped tablespoon of pure chili powder and a teaspoon of sugar. I am not going to use salt because the salt has soaked into the mango. So when adding of additional salt, it will make it a little salty. But when your mangoes are ready to eat, and if there is for some reason less salt, you can add on fine salt. Over here I have about 10 cloves of garlic. The more garlic you use, the tastier it will be. So I'm going to just smash it a little. You can even slice the garlic finely and put it in. But in this way, the flavor of the garlic will get into the mango. Here's my garlic, roughly done. Just gonna add it into the mango. I will give this mango a good mix up. So I don't know the amount of oil I'm going to use, so I'm going to measure. And I don't like very much of oil because I'm going to store it into the fridge. And this oil is directly from the gallon. That's 1 cup. This is 2. Okay, for this amount of mangoes, 2 cups of oil is sufficient. And mix them very well. And then pack it into an airtight container and allow this to sit on my counter for a day with a room temperature. And thereafter, tomorrow I will put it into the fridge. Once I put the mango pickle into the fridge, every day I will keep stirring it. For about 7 days, it will be ready for eating. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.